Hello and good morning, students. I know all my students are healthy and they are daily learning something new from our online session. And today I am Shilpa going to take 7th chapter of our maths, cube and cube roots. Before I start, let's say the topics which we are going to learn and discuss in this chapter. Students, today we are going to learn what is cube, what is perfect cube or cube number, interesting fact about cube numbers, interesting patterns, cube number and their prime factors, smallest number to be multiplied to make perfect cube and smallest number to be divided to make perfect cube, and what is cube root of a number and its method to find cube root. Students, first we will see what is cube. Cube word is used in geometry. Cube is a solid figure which has all sides equal, that is length, breadth and height. And we can even call cube as 3D dimensional figure. And students, we have even seen cube in our day-to-day life. For example, in form of ice cube, sugar cube. And now you will be thinking, ma'am is going to teach today geometry figures. But no, students, today we are going to learn how to calculate cube number. Before you all get confused, let's see what is cube number. And now students, see what is cube number or perfect cube. A perfect cube or a cube number is one which is obtained by multiplying its own number 3 times. See, 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. So, 1, 8, 27 are called cube numbers and 2, 3, 4, 5 are non-cube numbers. And students, always remember this. Cube is multiplication of any number 3 times, not with 3. And now students, we will see how to write cube number. See, we all know cube means number 3. So if I want to write any cube number, I will write 3 as power on that number. See, 1 cube or 1 power 3, 2 cube or 2 power 3, 7 cube or 7 power 3. I hope now what is cube number is clear to all my students. Obviously yes, because I know all my students are smart and they are listening to me carefully. So students, shall we move ahead? Yes. And now students, we will see cube numbers from 1 to 20 and we will notice some interesting facts in them. I know many of my students would be raising their hands, ma'am shall I, to answer what they have observed. But don't feel sorry because our main motto is to gain knowledge whether we are online or offline. So now I will give you the answer. See students, first fact that we have only 10 cube numbers from 1 to 1000. See, number 1 and the cube is 1, number 10 the cube is 1000. So from the number 1 to 1000 we have only 10 cubes. And now fact number 2. See students, an even number will always have an even cube. An odd number will always have an odd cube. See now, number 1 the cube is 1. Odd, number 3 the cube is 27. Odd, number 15, the cube is 3375. Odd, number 17, cube is 4913. Odd, and now see the even number. Number 2, cube is 8. Even. Number 4, cube is 64. Even. Number 12, cube is 1728. 18, cube is 5832. And now fact number 3 students. This fact will help you to find out cube roots fast. But now we will not discuss about cube roots. That we will discuss later on. But now we will see the fact. Now see students, in this fact the unit place of cube numbers are same. I mean to say that, see, observe carefully students. Number 1, the cube is 1. Number 11, the cube is 1331. To see the unit place, 1. Number 2, 8. To number 12, the cube is 1728. The cube number see, unit place 8, 8. Number 3, number 27. Number 13, cube number is 2197. See the unit place 7, 7. In the same way, see we have 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 3, 3, 2, 2, 9, 9, 0. That means, suppose if I want to find out cube number of 25, so already I know the unit place has to be 5. And suppose if I want to find out cube of 79, then already I know the unit place has to be 9. And now students, we will have some fun with numbers. I mean to say, we will see some interesting patterns. Now observe this pattern carefully. See what is there? It is sum of consecutive odd numbers. And see, they are forming cube numbers. See, 1, 1, 1 cube. 3 plus 5, 8, 2 cube. 7 plus 9 plus 11 equal to 27, 3 cube. 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, 64, 4 cube. 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29 equal to 125 equal to 5 cube. In the same pattern, if I add next 6 consecutive odd numbers, I will get 216, that is cube of. And now students, suppose if I tell you to find out 10 consecutive odd numbers that will add up to 1000, what you will tell? Yes ma'am, we can do it. Yes, but it will take time for us to do the calculation, right? But see students, that this is very simple. We can do this with the help of formula also. Let me show you. Now see students, we all know that 1000 is cube of 10, right? So let's take 10 as n. And now see, I have the formula n minus 1 into n plus 1. In the place of n, I am going to substitute 10. So 10 minus 1 into 10 plus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 10 plus 1. So 9 tens are 90. 90 plus 1 is 91. That means my consecutive numbers will start from 91. See, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, 101, 103, 105, 107 and 109. And when I will add this 10 consecutive odd numbers, it will add up to 1000. See, very simple. Now students, we are going to learn about cube and their prime factors. About prime factors, you all have studied in your lower classes, right? And now we are just going to first recall. See, what are prime factors of 4? 2 into 2. What is prime factor of 6? 2 into 3. And we also know that if I want to find prime factor of any greater or bigger number, we can also use our L method, right? Here I have given you example of smaller number. 12. To see, 12 is divisible by 2. How many times? 6 times. 6 is divisible by 2. How many times? 3 times. 3 is divisible by 3. 1 time. So what are prime factors of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. And now see 36. 36 is divisible by 2 how many times? 18 times. 18 again divisible by 2 how many times? 9 times. Now 9 is divisible by 3. How many times? 3 times. 3 is again divisible by 3, 1 time. So what are prime factors of 36? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And now students, we will see prime factor of cube. See, here I have given you the example of 4 cube. What is 4 cube? 64. So what are factors of 64? See, 64 is divisible by 2. How many times? 32 times. 32 again divisible by 2, 16 times. 16 again divisible by 2, 8 times. 8 again divisible by 2, 4 times. 4 again divisible by 2, 2 times. And 2 again divisible by 2, 1 time. So what factors I got? 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. See students, in cube, if I get any number 3 times, I have to write 1 time. See, 2 I got 3 times, so I wrote 2 power 3. Multiply, again I got 2 3 times, so I wrote 2 power 3. Let's take one more example to make it more clear. 6 cube, that is equal to 216. Now first we will find out again prime factors. 216 is divisible by 2 how many times? 108. 108 again divisible by 2 how many times? 54 times. 54 again divisible by 2 how many times? 27 times. And now 27 is divisible in 3 table. How many times? 9 times. 9 again divisible by 3 how many times? 3 times. 3 again divisible by 3 1 time. So what factors I got? 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. So see, 2 cube multiply 3 cube, because 2 appeared 3 times and 3 also appeared 3 times. Before I say bye to you all, I just want to share one small incident that happened in the life of Mr. Ramanujan. Yes, the great mathematician. Once his friend Hardy came to meet him, and he said, "Oh my dear friend, today I came in a taxi and the taxi number was 1729. What a dull number." Ramanujan replied quickly, "No, my dear friend, it's a very interesting number." Hardy said, "How?" Then Ramanujan replied, 1729 is the smallest cube number that can be written in 2 ways. Hardy said, "How?" Then Ramanujan said, 1729 is equal to 1000 plus 729, that is 10 cube plus 9 cube. At the same time, 1729 equal to 1728 plus 1, that is 12 cube plus 1 cube. Isn't it interesting, student? And from that day, 1729 is known as Hardy-Ramanujan number. Bye, students.